Today I want to speak about if mental health issues can be symptoms of Hashimoto's disease. I'm more confident about Hashimoto's than I am about what I learned for 4 years about science education. She was suffering from depression, anxiety, poor memory, fatigue, rough, cracked skin, feeling cold, getting sick often, snoring, insomnia, and coughing. She had gone to a doctor initially. The doctor was like, oh yeah, your TSH is fine. Her thyroglobulin antibodies were at a concentration of over 1,000 international units per milliliter, whereas they should be at a concentration of less than 2 international units per milliliter. Complicating matters further is the fact that many thyroid symptoms are very nonspecific, which is why the medical community often disregards them in the initial stages. It's not uncommon for patients to be dismissed as having depression, stress, or anxiety, and to be given antidepressants or anti-anxiety medications without thyroid function ever being considered. Some patients have even been misdiagnosed and hospitalized with bipolar disorder or schizophrenia when in fact they were suffering from thyroid imbalances. A patient was having paranoia and auditory hallucinations. They tested this patient's thyroid antibodies. They were high. Took the person off Zyprexa, put the person on thyroid treatment, and the person recovered. Depression isn't a disease, it's a symptom. She had Hashimoto's for 15 years, but her TSH levels were not affected yet, so the doctor didn't do anything about it. In addition to TSH, T4, and T3, demand the reverse T3, thyroid peroxidase, the TPO antibodies, and a thyroglobulin, which is the TG antibodies. If the doctor does not cooperate, find a new doctor. Check out the Institute for Functional Medicine, because functional practitioners understand this and they're more likely to test your thyroid antibodies than doctors who just know 1 page worth of material about thyroid. If you can't find a doctor who's willing to test those 6 tests, I recommend doing it yourself. But for the best thing you do.